Welcome to Hydrawise for Homeseer. This plugin brings together the power of two of the most advanced systems for the smart home. So, what's Hydrawise? It is industry-leading Hydrawise technology by Hunter Industries, giving you the most powerful Wi-Fi irrigation control solution on the market. With Hydrawise, your yard gets watered only when it's needed, and never when it's not. With a Hydrawise system, you can save up to 50% more water, compared to a traditional irrigation controller. So what is Homeseer? For over 20 years, Homeseer has been obsessed with creating the absolute best products for the money in the smart home space. From this, they have created the Homeseer Smart Home Controller, which is certified for Z-Wave Plus, feature-rich, and protected with world-class Homeseer support. Homeseer software and hubs have been the preferred platform for DIY smart home hub builders for more than 20 years. It is locally managed home automation software for Windows, Linux, or Raspberry Pi computers. Why Homeseer? It is reliable and fast with changes processed locally, safe and secure with information stored on your system, and not in the cloud, independent. It keeps going, even if the internet is down. It's compatible with thousands of popular products, from hundreds of companies, and with voice, it's compatible Amazon and Google smart speakers. So what is rnbHydra, and how does it integrate these awesome products? rnbHydra is a plugin for Homeseer, which directly talks to your Hydrawise controller. The best part is secure. rnbHydra uses the secure GDPR and CCPA compliant API from Hydrawise, so your data is always safe. So, what version of Homeseer do you need? It doesn't matter. rnbHydra has native versions for both HS3 and HS4, so we've got you covered. Best of all, you only need to buy the version 3 and you get the version 4 for free. This means you can start now, and if you're still on HS3, later when moving to HS4 it doesn't cost anything extra. Let us take the effort out of the initial connection for you. rnbHydra has an inbuilt setup wizard, which will guide you through connecting Homeseer to your Hydrawise account and controllers. Once connected, a device for each controller in your account will be created in Homeseer. Each device will also have information and control features created to tell you what's happening, and leave you use your Hydrawise controller. With all this, you're in control. After connecting, you can then customize the settings to whatever works for you. Settings, like how often Homeseer talks to Hydrawise for updates, down to the level of information put into the Homeseer log. You can even turn off updates for some, or all of your controllers, without taking away the ability to control your irrigation. With a support system built into rnbHydra, rest assured, if you find an issue, or even had an idea for a new feature, you can ask for it right within the plugin. There's no need to go anywhere else. And for those who like web pages, on devices like wall-mounted tablets, we've got you covered too. There's a full web page with all your Hydrawise controllers, which is designed with touch in mind, to allow you to control your irrigation. rnbHydra, bringing together the power of two of the most advanced systems for the smart home.